The Gorans family were my first cousins. And so we've known the family for years. And they were in the turkey business, so we knew them as a relation family, but also in our turkey business. You know, I was listening to a program on TV one weekend, people talking about robotics. This is now, 35 years ago. I only remember one statement, and they said, if you have a position where you have a lot of repetitive function, it's very likely eligible for a robotic solution. And I said, do you think that there would be a possibility?
At one point he asked, he said they were looking at getting into the automation, wanted to automate processes in their hatchery. He just asked if I knew of a company that did that sort of thing.
And the next thing that I know is that Marc and his partner said we would be interested in doing that.
I presented Ted a proposal that we go at this together. I'd put in my time if they bought the material.
It looked reasonable to me, so I went to Ray and I said, Ray, my gut feeling, maybe a 50-50 chance to succeed, but it's not a big deal. And I said, I think there's merit in our position as the largest hatchery in the United States to want to be seen ahead of the pack. And I said, what do you think? He said, well, that looks fine to me, but he said, most of these kind of projects, they go around the bush a few times and then they find something else more interesting and drop. Well, he didn't know Marc Gorans.
I'm not sure why they took it. I suspect it was the aspect that I didn't get anything out of it unless we were successful, and it just appealed to them. I've never really quizzed them. I should. At any rate, but there's two reasons why I decided to go into business with Ray and Ted, and that was, a big one was their need for products, their access to the markets, their access to capital, and just all the things that stacked the deck in our favor. During that time, I was provided an incredible amount of autonomy. I was basically free to go in whichever direction. I kept them informed. We met regularly. They always knew what I was working on and what I was doing and what we were going after.
I've known very few people that had that kind of focus. Most people want a life too.
We've had a lot of red herrings where things that we've looked at, things that we've tried that didn't work out.
But I could see we were getting a benefit way back then, before it got on the market, because we were getting better grades, less back scratches that are triggered by the toes.
Because we are a first-generation product developer, every person's job is unique. We need people, all individuals, thinking every day. We are a team-based company. We don't have any roles where you can just show up. They all involve a lot of engagements, and that's the kind of people that we're looking for, is people that can make a big difference. We've been fortunate in attracting people that fit our culture, fit our aspirations best.